Welcome. Now let us understand the meaning of commodity. A commodity may be defined as an article, a product, or material that is bought and sold. It can be classified as every kind of movable property except actionable claims, money, and securities. So, a commodity is an tangible thing which has the marketable as well as commercial value which can be bought and sold. Generally, the commodities trade in the commodities market are of primary sector of an economy. This means the primary sector of an economy is the agricultural products or extraction of raw materials such as metals, energy, wheat, corn, etc. Karl Marx defines commodity as a commodity is any good or service produced by human labor and offered as a product for general sale in the market. Now let us understand what do you mean by commodity market. A commodity market is a market where commodities are traded. So these commodities include bullion market which trades in gold and silver, base market which trades in metals such as copper, zinc, nickel, lead, aluminum, etc. We have energy market which trades in crude oil, natural gas, gasoline, etc. And we have agricultural commodities such as soya oil, palm oil, coffee, pepper, cashew, etc. So, a commodity market is a physical or virtual marketplace for buying, selling, and trading raw or primary products. The commodities market is not same as it was earlier. Earlier in commodities market only the agricultural products like wheat, corn, coffee were traded. But now due to the development it includes livestock, base and precious metals, minerals and energy sources like crude oil and natural gas. And even nowadays it deals in the futures contract on some securities like currency also. Here you can find the various commodities traded in the present commodities market in India. Next, moving on to the objectives of commodities market. Firstly, hedging. Hedging refers to the transferring of risk. Here, traders transfer their risk relating to the possession of the physical assets by any adverse price movements. That means any changes in the prices of a commodities in the future can be predicted, and for the purpose of hedging the traders come to the commodities market. Next, liquidity and price discovery. In commodity market, a trader can trade in how much ever commodities that he wishes to trade. There is no compulsion that a trader must trade in the long volumes of trading commodities. And then price discovery. In the commodities market, they keep on collecting the information regarding the demand and supply for a commodities, and they facilitate a regular and authentic price discovery mechanism. Next, maintaining buffer stock and better allocation of resources. In the commodities market, there is less use of inventory requirement, and thus this leads to the decrease in the exposure to risks. With price fluctuation declines, resources thus can be allocated to the diversified investors who wish to make investments in all such commodities. Next, price stabilization along with balancing demand and supply position. In commodities market, the traders keep on predicting the price of their commodities in which they have invested by comparing them with the domestic prices, which maintains a stability, thus safeguarding against the adverse price movement. Liquidity in contracts of commodities traded are also ensured in maintaining the equilibrium price between the demand and supply for a particular commodity. Lastly, we have flexibility, certainty, and transparency in purchasing the commodities. In commodities market, the traders are flexible to purchase any volume and any commodity that they wish to trade, and also they are assisted by the banks by providing the finance. The traders keep on predicting the prices of a commodity, which leads to the stability, and there is transparency in the purchasing of the commodities to the trade.